Beans are considered a nutritious food and are rich in fiber, protein, and iron. To make a well-cooked and delicious bean stew, there are a few tips you need to follow. Let's see how it's done. First of all, soak your beans the night before, and if possible, change the water 2 or 3 times to completely remove the gas. Add the soaked beans to your chosen pot and pour in water. Put it on the heat. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 hours until the beans are fully cooked. Now dice an onion and saute it until golden. Then add the spices, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Saute it. Now it's time for tomato paste. Add 2 tablespoons of it. Saute just enough to get rid of the raw taste and let the paste release its color. Be careful not to burn it. Now add a boiled and peeled potato to the mixture. Mash it with a meat mallet. Mix until everything is well combined. Add your prepared mixture to the cooked beans. Add it in. Stir until everything is well combined. Let it cook for another 20 minutes so the flavors blend together. Pour it into your desired serving dish and enjoy. Bon appétit! If you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate it if you liked my video. Please leave your comments and follow me. Thank you.